Hello, welcome back to my channel. In one of my previous videos I demonstrated how to use the XReal One AR glasses to fly the Air 3S or the DJI Neo2, and now I want to test, is it possible to fly the Avata 2 instead of the goggles with the AR glasses. So what you will see in this video is first how to do the setup, then do a little check of latency, and then a test flight. I'm not sure if the test flight will work today because as you can see it's very windy, but let's give it a try. So first start with the setup. Okay, I powered on everything, the goggles, the remote control, the Avata 2, and now let's do the first thing, set up the live view. Therefore I'll do now a screen recording here in the goggles so you can see what I'm doing. Let me start the recording. Okay, so first thing we have to do, go to the settings, share live view. Okay, and live view should be activated. Okay, so next step is now to take the iPhone, start a screen recording on the iPhone as well. Okay, so I'm here in the DJI Fly app, go to the quick transfer, pick the goggles, go to fly, sorry it's German, and here you have it. And there you can see it's almost instantly you get the change of direction from the Avata. That looks good. Now the important part, how to connect the AR glasses. Just take the cable, USB-C, plug it in, and then you should have a live view. Let me double check this. Yes, I have a live view. One thing to keep in mind, the glasses offer you different screen sizes. So I put it to 168 inch of screen size because you get the most out of it from the immersion you get. And we're ready for the first flight. Let's start the motors. Okay, I think you can see it flying in normal mode. The Avata is fighting against the wind. So yeah, I'm not sure if it's a good idea to try the manual mode today, but no risk, no fun. Let's give it a try. As it is hard to record the picture of the goggles or AR glasses, I put the screen recording side by side. With the 16:9 aspect ratio of the iPhone, the actual live view is smaller compared to the Goggles 3, even with the XReal One's virtual screen size set to 168 inch. So I hope you get the idea from the screen recording side by side. So, what are my final thoughts? Obviously, it's more convenient to take these glasses because they're lighter and it's more comfortable to wear. but brightness is not as good as the goggles spray. Another thing, these are the XReal One. They have the bird bath design of the lenses. So that means I have a white shirt, unfortunately today, so I got reflection in the glasses over here. I can overcome this with some sun blockers. I could get maybe some 3D printing to block the sun out. Then I give it another test if it's getting any better. I hope you enjoyed this little test, and if you like my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.